There are over 491 million purchases on Facebook Marketplace every single month. In this video, I will uncover the secrets Facebook hides and show you exactly how to hack the algorithm to sell your items faster. Let's jump right in. How the algorithm works. To understand the algorithm, we need to first understand the goal of Facebook Marketplace. How does Facebook Marketplace generate revenue? Well, every time you visit Marketplace, Meta will show you personalized advertisements. And every ad you see means a few pennies for Meta. Now, so how can Meta make more money? Well, does that by making you spend more time on Marketplace. Because more time spent means more ads seen, which generates more money for Meta. Simple. And this is your first hint at hacking the algorithm to your advantage. How to hack the algorithm on Facebook. Meta wants people to spend more time on your listings. And here's how you get the algorithm to be on your site. You first begin by creating beautiful listings. You use attractive pictures, descriptive titles, and fair prices. And tips for the photos is to take clean shots with a neutral background. Center the item and make sure it fits into a square crop, because Facebook Marketplace crops all your listings. And here's a price tip that will help you quite a bit. Avoid round numbers. $4.99 gets more clicks than $5 will. Write killer descriptions. The algorithm loves time spent on listings, so avoid walls of text. Use spacings, headings, and proper punctuations. Make it easy to read and end your listing with a call to action. Something that says, send me a message. Because if you do that, you get more messages and that boosts the conversions. Conversions, of course, means algorithmic gold. And number 3, post during the peak hours of the day. During weekdays, that will be around 5 to 7 p.m. after work, and the weekends are after lunchtime. Never post outside peak hours if you want your listings to get boosted. Number 4, post in groups. Join buy and sell groups. Buy and sell, then in brackets, your town name. So if you are from New York, it would be buy and sell New York. And now you can post in up to 10 groups every time you list something. Also make sure that when you actually post that you do use the function and list in all the 10 groups. Number 5 is time spent through messaging. Keep people engaged to boost your listing. Respond to them quickly, because then they return to the listing and that boosts it. Also, when they message you, feel free to send them variations of the item they're trying to buy. For example, I sell fridges. If somebody wants to buy a fridge from me, I send them options for different fridges, which then, of course, boosts the listing. Then you also have to be friendly and engaging, because each interaction counts. And now let's do a technique. Oh, that is kind of spicy. And honestly, this advanced technique is borderline unethical. I'm talking about engagement faking. That's right. What is that? Well, simply put, you take your friends or extra accounts that you have and you ask them to browse your listings, save them to your watch list, and then message you on those listings. Because multiple interactions immediately after posting means the algorithm thinks that your listing is very popular and will then recommend it to more people. This is how you hack the algorithm. To recap very quickly, the algorithm rewards listings that make users spend more time and see more ads. Maximize time spent by improving your photos, title, price, and description, by engaging buyers, and by posting at peak times, and by leveraging groups. And optional, you can use engagement hacks if you have the network to do so. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you next time.